Okay, so we use Excel a lot, and Power BI is the next step to making summaries, making reports. Let's see how in Excel we use pivot tables, and same things can be created using Power BI. So I don't want to go in our traditional approach of first showing you what Power BI is and what are the things that you need and all the stuff. So let's get into it directly, and let's see what we can create in Excel and recreate the similar thing in Power BI. So here I have some data. These are properties, uh, the dates of when these are published, area, which part of the area it is, the what is the asking price, how many bedrooms, how many bathrooms, and how much is the square feet type, and all those things. So if I have to create a pivot table, you know how to create a pivot table in our Excel classes. You would have learned that. So if I have to create and analyze this thing, so I could easily create a dashboard like this. It's a very simple dashboard that I've created. So this is a pivot table, and you can see that I have put area into the rows and square feet into the values. Now I have some slicers added, and I can see some kind of graph here. So if I want to see only stuff which have 3 bedrooms, I can filter it out by using the slicer. We will see this in the next video how to create this, but probably know all you should probably know this already. So if I want to take only 2 bathrooms and with 2 bedrooms, so this is how I could, and I will get the details accordingly. So this is the exact same thing that we're going to create in Power BI. I'm going to show you how to load the data and how to create a simple chart with Power BI and start analyzing it there.